Traditional websites have a navigation that runs along the top, and when you click the links, you get directed to a different page within that site. But have you ever been on a website and clicked the link in the navigation and jumped down to a section on that same page? Well, these are called one-page websites, and they're popping up all over the internet, and for good reason, which is what I'm going to share with you today. Hi, I'm Alli, and I teach visual marketing strategies to help you get your business up and running online with a standout brand and website. And one-page websites certainly make you stand out. They're a simple yet effective way to get your business online in a quick and easy way. These are great when you're just starting out and you don't need a really large website, or even for businesses that have been around for a long time that just don't have a ton of content. They're really great if you have one specific goal for your user in mind, like book a call, schedule an appointment, or join the membership, for example. Let's go over 7 benefits that a one-page website offers, and be sure to stick around for number 7 because it's the most important. Okay, so first up is their ease of use. No one has time to spend searching for the information that they need, so the best thing that you can do for your website is to keep it simple for your dream clients. This is one of the things that makes a one-page website so great. They have a navigation along the top of the page that links down to the specific section of the page that you're looking for, making it really easy for your viewers to find the information quickly and clearly what they need, as opposed to a multi-page site that has a lot of links with a lot of different pages with a lot of information that you need to surf through sometimes to find exactly what you're looking for. Number 2 is the user journey. When your dream client lands on your one-page website, they'll be able to digest your information in a linear flow as they scroll down the page. This allows you to really tell a story and take your viewer on a journey that has a beginning, a middle, and an end. So for example, where they're at now, where they'll be after your service, and how they can work with you to get the end result that they're desiring. 3 is mobile responsiveness. Since it's only one page, adapting your one-page website to respond on mobile and keep it consistent across those platforms is much simpler than having to do that with multiple pages. Also, scrolling is expected when viewing online these days, so your dream clients will read your site from top to bottom rather than having to sift through multiple pages to find the information that they're looking for. Number 4 is timeline. If you're looking to get your business up and running online as soon as possible, then a one-page website is a fantastic solution for you. I can create and launch a one-page website for my clients in one day, compared to a very complex multi-page website that often take 4 to 8 weeks or sometimes even more. Number 5 is the cost. One of the best benefits of a one-page website is the cost effectiveness. You can imagine that paying a designer or developer for one day versus 4 to 8 weeks makes a substantial difference in cost for the project. And even if you're DIYing your website, the amount of time that you'll save by creating a one-page website is so significant, and time ultimately equals money, right? And what's really great is that your one-page website can totally grow with your business as your business grows and as your marketing budget grows. So it's a fantastic place to start. Number 6 is maintenance. Updating and editing a single page is obviously going to save you time and be easier when you're just editing one page as opposed to many, right? So let's say you have a service that you've changed the name of or the price of. Having to go through just a single page as opposed to 6 to 8 pages to find the information, make sure it's consistent, can be a huge time saver. And the final most important benefit to one-page websites is a higher conversion rate. Just like a landing page or a sales page, a one-page website delivers your message all on one page and leads your viewer directly to your call to action. This often leads to higher conversion rates because all of your content can be read in its entirety without getting lost or distracted along the way. While some websites do require multiple pages or more complex navigation systems, many do not. And some of the best successful websites are one-pagers. Now, if you're wondering if a one-page website might be right for your business, I want you to head over to doneforyouinaday.com, where I go over my process for creating one-page websites in one day, as well as done-in-a-day brands. So head over there and check that out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe, click the notification bell, and don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time.